It's another delicious day here in the Let's Make Food from Food Kitchen, and right now I'm going to take that tuna salad that I made and make a tuna melt. Gonna be delicious. This is my homemade rye bread, and I will put a link down below for that recipe and a tomato from my garden. Okay, so what I want to do is get a couple of slices of my rye bread, and I'm going to start a little thicker over here. Try not to get super thick slices, but I also don't want really thin ones either. Beautiful. I'm going to put it right here on my pan. My oven is already turned on to broil. Okay, that's your upper elements. And I'm going to put this in 1 to 2 minutes per side. We want to toast the bread first. Here we go. Oh, it just smells so good, you guys. I love fresh baked bread. Can't help it. While that's toasting, I'm gonna go ahead and slice up some tomato here. I have already washed it off. Yes, I wash my own garden tomatoes off. You never know if a bird came by and pooped. Oh. That was kind of gross, sorry. All right, now I'm gonna take the little bit and eat it. Homegrown, just like home baked. Tastes better. Okay, our rye bread is toasted. Now we're going to top it with the tuna salad, and you can of course measure it if you want. It is about a half a cup on each one, give or take. Okay, this looks good. So the next thing I want to do is just take a couple of tomato slices for each one. Well, I guess I'm going to do 3 on this one because they were smaller. Okay, now I want to stick this in the oven 3 or 4 minutes, still on broil. We'll take it back out, add the cheese, and then broil it till the cheese melts. So I'm gonna stick this in and I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, y'all, I don't even know what happened. It looks like maybe I forgot to turn the camera back on for the wrap up, but I did have a beautiful photo here. It is delicious. I hope you try this recipe. Thanks for joining me here today. From my kitchen to yours, let's make food from food.
That's one bowl.